Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 5 can keep a charge and dies unexpectedly, you're not alone. This common issue often arises due to a failing battery that can no longer hold its charge effectively. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, making your device practically unusable. To get started on this repair, you will need a few tools: a Torx screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a new battery specifically designed for the Surface Pro 5. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the body of the device, taking care not to apply too much force, as this can damage the display. Once you've created a small gap, insert the plastic opening tool to carefully pry the screen away from the casing. It's important to work slowly and methodically. With the screen removed, you'll see the battery located at the bottom half of the device. Look for any signs of swelling or damage, which indicates it's time for a replacement. To remove the battery, unscrew the screws holding it in place. Be mindful of the types of screws used. They are typically Torx screws, and you should apply gentle, consistent pressure when unscrewing. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard carefully to avoid damaging any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old battery removed, you can now install the new one. Align it correctly and reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring a snug fit. Replace the screws to secure the battery in place. Once everything is put together, gently press the screen back into position. Make sure it fits snugly without any gaps. Power on your device and check that it charges properly and holds its charge. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis. Regularly updating your device's software can also help improve battery efficiency. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.